welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. O, diba? Joke lang, parang Judy Ann Santos lang ang peg. Anyway, bakit nandito ako sa kitchen today? By the way, this is my fourth vlog. This is my fourth video since I started. And as you can see, medyo hindi pa ako bihasa. So, just bear with me. Sana tapusin nyo tong vlog ko, please. Nagmamakaawa. Yun nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung version ko. My version of low carb friendly, budget friendly, but super nutritious na Spanish sardines. Hindi ako gagamit ng pressure cooker, but slow cook ko lang siya. So, yun. Spanish sardines. Bakit sardines? Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo yung benefits ng sardines. Of course, nabasa ko yun. It contains vitamin B12, which helps our cardiovascular system, and it has a healthy an amount of vitamin D. So, pag pinagsama yung vitamin D and vitamin B12, magiging maganda yung ating bone development. So, iwas osteoporosis all throughout our lifespan pag regular daw tayong kumakain ng sardines. So, that's so nice to hear, diba? Kasi sardines, as we all know, very cheap. Ang mura po niya. Dito po sa UAE, itong ginamit kong sardines, it's only 5 dirhams per kilo. So, that is like more than 100 in the Philippines. So, diba? So, sa mga nagtitipid na katulad ko, it's very, very good for us. Diba? It's very beneficial for us. So, yun. So, throwback lang ako. Bakit sinabi kong low carb friendly? Kasi, since March 2019, I've been practicing the low carb diet. First reason why ginawa ko tong low carb diet na to, sa hindi pa po nakakaalam, I was diagnosed of being a hypothyroid since July 2010, and since then I've been taking this levothyroxine 50 mcg. So, ang tendency pag hypothyroid ka, since it's a hormonal problem, madali kang tumaba. So, we really need to have a healthy lifestyle. Watch out sa mga kinakain. Kasi last na lab exam ko is medyo border na yung BP ko. So, that's when I thought na, because I value my health dahil may anak ako, I'm a single mom. So, kailangan maging, talaga ako, guard ko talaga yung health ko. So, kaya hayon, nag-start ako and I started like 73 kilogram during that time na nag-start ako ng LCIF. But, ilang months na din na nakalipas na naibaba ko siya into 62. So, way to go. I have not reached my goal weight yet, but I'm still practicing it. And almost 10 kilo or 10 kilo, diba? That's a big achievement na. So, happy din ako. I want to talk further about LCIF, low carbs and intermittent fasting, kasi ilalagay ko sa link ng FB page nila sa baba, so that you can browse the page and you can ask to be invited or i-add kayo sa group, dahil doon makikita nyo yung do's and don'ts and inspiring testimonies ng mga nagpa-practice ng LCIF. Grabe. Believe talaga ako yung super, ang laki-laki nila, tapos bigla silang naging sexy, and on top of that, yung health benefits na nakuha nila. So, I won't talk any further if you want to know more about the LCIF. And ang dami ko ring friends na inad sa Facebook page nila, and they are so happy with all the results they got when they started practicing it. Yung LCIF, yung low carbs and intermittent fasting. Second reason ko din pala kung bakit nag-practice na ako is yung mga damit ko hindi ko na maisuot. So, pag nagbago na naman ako ng wardrobe, pag patuloy akong tumaba, dagdag gastos na naman yon. And third, of course, who would not want to be called sexy or hindi man sexy yung sabihin na lang, oh, you look great, pumayat ka. O, diba? Hypocrite ka na lang pag sabihin mo na, okay lang na mataba ako, I don't care. Hipokrita ka pag sasabihin mo yan, diba? Kasi, sino ba naman ang may ayaw na masabihan ng yung pumayat ka, yung kayong pinakamagandang words na maririnig mo pag babae ka, diba? So, yan. So, today, ipapakita ko sa kanyo kung paano magluto ng napakasimpleng Spanish sardines. Slow cook ko lang siya. Hindi ko siya ilalagay sa pressure cooker. So, yon. I'll be back. Magluluto muna ako. So, makikita nyo yung mga ingredients and how will I cook it. Okay.